All right, guys, thanks for joining me in another video. That was the installation that you didn't see of the Whitestone dome for the Pixel 3. I've got it on there, but I got to tell you, if nobody else says it, I'll say it. This is horrible. This new setup that they have right here with this push slide thing is ridiculous, man. I know that you guys might want to save money on materials and things like that. But this glass is too good to skimp on the installation. Now, the process of installing is this new way where you put this on top like this and then you slide, and it's supposed to be just this great experience, you know, pushing down, you know, getting it down like that. It's not, man. I appreciate them sending out this glass to put onto the Pixel 3, but that process right there, I guess I could tell you, if it's not broken, don't try to fix it, because this process right here is horrible. This is a bad process to put this glass on. The other way, it's not about not liking change and all that. You know, the touch sensitivity is there. This is a Whitestone dome. We know it's going to be good, but my problem is this installation tray. The last two installations I've done, it's just been a bad experience with that installation tray. It's just not good. It's way too difficult to try to use the phone. I couldn't get the phone to sit steady. Just a bunch of different things, man. Even with my Note 9, if you notice the Note 9 video, that older one that I did, that's the way it should go. This way right here is not very intuitive, and that's just my personal opinion. Now, with that aside, this is a boss up screen protector. This is just the way to go. Look at how clear and clean it gets, man. It's just a smooth install. You can kind of see along the top for the Pixel 3 how it looks. Along the bottom, everything looks good. I mean, no complaints whatsoever about the screen protector itself. I just think that the installation process is getting a little crazy now. I do not like that installation tray, but big ups to Whitestone Dome for making the best tempered glass on here. Man, this thing is it's awesome. I forgive you for that silly installation tray, because this thing is awesome, man. Look at that. So there it is, man. Quick video on the Whitestone Dome for the Pixel 3. It goes on just the same with the UV light and everything. Just that tray, man. Whitestone, y'all, hope you're watching this. You got to get that tray back to the old tray. This new way is not very intuitive at all. Phone doesn't stay stable in my use. There it is, man. Whitestone dome for the Pixel. It's on point. Love it.